Hello food enthusiasts, welcome back to my channel. I am Cuckoo and today we are going to add a crispy and flavorful twist to the classic pakodas with corn pakoda recipe. In a mixing bowl, combine the corn, gram flour, rice flour, red chili powder and salt. Gradually add water and mix it to form a thick and lumpy batter. Make sure the corn kernels are well coated with the batter. Heat oil in a pan for deep frying over medium-high heat. Carefully drop the corn batter into the hot oil. Fry the pakoda in batches. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn golden brown and crisp, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the pakodas and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Your crispy and delicious corn pakodas are ready to serve. These makes for a perfect snacks or appetizer, especially on a rainy day. Serve them with your favorite chutney or sauce. I hope you enjoyed making and serving these delightful corn pakodas. Happy cooking!